This day in history, June 5, 1967, the Six-Day War begins as Israel launches strikes on Egypt, Syria, and Jordan. 1947, U.S. Secretary of State George C. Marshall proposes an aid plan to rebuild post-war Europe. 1981, the CDC reports 5 unusual pneumonia cases in Los Angeles, the first official mention of AIDS. 1968, Robert F. Kennedy is fatally shot after winning the California primary. 1977, Apple II, one of the first mass-market PCs, hits the shelves, changing home computing forever. June 5th, a day of war, innovation, loss, and history in the making. Subscribe to Mind Minute for more daily history.